Installing Underglow lights on your ride isn't just about the looks anymore. With killer RGB technology, music sync capabilities, and smartphone control, today's Underglow kits transform your whip into a legit mobile light show. But here's the deal. The market's absolutely flooded with cheap kits that fade, flicker, or straight up quit within months. After digging through hundreds of customer reviews, testing real-world durability, and comparing features across tons of brands, I've narrowed it down to 5 kits that actually deliver. Let's get into it. Starting strong at number 1, the OPT7 Aura aluminum car underglow lights. While competitors use flimsy plastic housings that crack under road debris, OPT7 went with aircraft-grade aluminum bars. This means your investment actually lasts. The kit includes 2 48-inch and 2 36-inch rigid bars, giving you complete underbody coverage for most sedans, trucks, and SUVs. You're getting 16 million color options through a wireless remote, plus brightness dimming and multiple strobing patterns. The music sync function responds to bass and beats, creating a sick reactive light show as you cruise. But here's what makes this kit special: the door assist feature. When you pop your doors open, the system automatically illuminates pure white underneath, making it safer to hop out at night while adding that luxury car vibe. The IP67 waterproof rating means these handle rain, snow, and road salt without any issues whatsoever. Now, one thing to consider: this kit uses a traditional wireless remote instead of smartphone app control. If you're someone who wants to customize every single detail through your phone, this might feel kind of limiting. However, and this is important, many users actually prefer the simplicity. No Bluetooth pairing, no app updates, no phone battery drain. Just point and click. Installation's pretty straightforward with direct battery connection and an inline fuse for protection. The aluminum construction also means less flexibility during mounting, so you'll definitely want to measure your vehicle's undercarriage carefully before purchasing. Check the Amazon link in the description for current pricing and availability. At number 2, the Nilight 4PCS Car Underglow Neon Accent Strip Lights. This kit's perfect if you want vibrant colors without absolutely breaking the bank. The sound active function is crazy sensitive, picking up music from your speakers or even engine noise to create dynamic lighting effects. You get 8 pre-programmed colors for quick changes, and the wireless RF remote works straight through your car's body, so you don't need line of sight to control it. What buyers absolutely love most is the plug-and-play setup. The kit includes a cigarette lighter adapter, so you can have this thing installed in under 30 minutes without even touching your battery. The adhesive backing's strong enough to stay put, but removable if you need to reposition it. The potential downside: while the strips are weather-resistant, they don't have the same IP68 rating as some premium kits out there. If you live somewhere with extreme weather or do serious off-roading, you might want extra protection. For regular street use, though, these hold up excellently. The music mode is where this kit really shines, guys. Instead of just flashing to beats, it actually adjusts color intensity and patterns based on different frequencies. Low bass creates slow pulses, while treble creates rapid flickers. It's honestly pretty dope. One smart feature: the system remembers your last setting. So if you always use blue on your commute, it powers on to blue automatically. No need to fumble with the remote every time you fire up your car. Links are in the description box for easy access. Coming in at number 3, the YiLaie RGB LED rock lights. This design's a total game changer for off-road vehicles, lifted trucks, or anyone who needs lighting in tight spaces. You can mount these pods in wheel wells, under fenders, or along the chassis where traditional strip lights just won't fit. The heavy-duty housing's built to take serious impacts from rocks, mud, and debris that would absolutely destroy regular strip lights. You get both app control and an RF remote, giving you the best of both worlds. The IP67 rating means these are fully submersible. You could literally drive through a river and they'd keep working, no joke. The multifunction modes include fade, flash, strobe, and smooth color transitions across the full RGB spectrum. Here's the trade-off, though. With only 60 LEDs total across 4 pods, the brightness doesn't quite match kits with 200+ LEDs. They're incredibly bright for their size, don't get me wrong, but if you want that eye-popping glow that's visible from blocks away, you might need to supplement with additional pods. Many users actually buy 2 kits for maximum coverage. The versatility's absolutely unmatched. Use them as underglow, interior accent lights, bed lighting for trucks, or even transfer them to your ATV for weekend adventures. The compact design and 12-volt compatibility make them work with practically any vehicle. Product links are waiting in the description. At number 4, the MICTUNING Car Underglow Light. The chasing dream effects are absolutely mesmerizing, folks. Imagine colors flowing from front to back like a rainbow wave, or alternating patterns that pulse and chase along your car's body. This creates a dynamic, high-end look you usually only see on custom show cars. The app control's super intuitive, with a clean interface that lets you fine-tune every single aspect. Adjust speed, brightness, color combinations, and save your favorite presets for one-touch activation. The IP68 waterproof rating ensures longevity, and the 2-year warranty is the best in this entire category. The consideration here is complexity, all right? With so many options and effects available, there's definitely a learning curve. Some users find it kind of overwhelming at first and just stick to basic modes. But if you genuinely enjoy customization and want your lighting to stand out from every other underglow kit on the road, this is your answer, hands down. Installation requires a bit more attention than basic kits because you're positioning 4 separate strips with their own connectors. Take your time routing cables cleanly, and the result's a professional-looking installation that showcases those flowing chasing effects perfectly. The memory function saves your settings even after disconnecting power, and the energy-efficient design won't drain your battery during short stops. Grab the link from the description to learn more. Rounding out our list at number 5, the Govee Underglow Car Lights. The standout innovation? Photo color capture. Point your phone's camera at anything. A sunset, your favorite kicks, a movie poster, and the app extracts those exact colors to display on your car. This level of customization's unprecedented and perfect for matching your car's paint, your outfit, or just your mood. The RGB IC technology displays multiple colors simultaneously with smooth gradients, and you get 10 pre-programmed scene modes covering everything from ambient cruising to full-on party mode. Music Sync offers both soft and dynamic settings, depending on whether you want subtle pulses or aggressive strobing. The Govee Home app is legitimately the best in the industry, period. It's the same ecosystem controlling millions of smart home devices, so the interface is polished, super responsive, and regularly updated. Timer functions let you schedule when lights turn on and off automatically, which is pretty sick. The DC 12 to 24 volt compatibility works with virtually every vehicle, from compact cars to large trucks. Installation follows the simple 2-line design with all necessary adhesives, clips, and screws included. For tech enthusiasts who want the most advanced features and seamless integration, Govee delivers an experience that feels more like premium smart technology than just a basic car accessory. All Amazon links are in the description box below. Each of these kits brings something totally unique. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.